Hello, my name is Alisa Bloco and let me show you how to create an all-star LinkedIn profile. If you are a business professional, a business owner, a job seeker, consultant, coach, don't you want to be part of this story? Now is the momentum, the best possible time for the organic reach on LinkedIn. Organic, unpaid reach. I'm going to lead you through the following: creating an all-star LinkedIn profile, telling your story, we all have one, profile photo, headline and industry and why it matters, profile summary, experience section, skills and endorsements, as well as recommendations, and why it all matters. It matters because people buy from people. People don't buy from companies. The new way of selling is social selling. Building relationships is what really matters. Wonder where to start? Well, start right here by creating an all-star LinkedIn profile. Why should you have LinkedIn profile? Well, your LinkedIn profile will provide you with recognition, opportunities, credibility, and you'll be able to showcase your brand. Let me give you brief profile tips. Always write in first-person narrative. Have short paragraphs and adjust your visibility settings for your profile. Let me show you how to do that. Welcome to my LinkedIn profile. Here is my About section. An example of writing your summary or About section in first narrative is right here. See, what did I write here? Last year alone, I've helped 44 small businesses. I didn't write like she helped. No, I'm the one who is presenting myself on LinkedIn. And it is my profile. So let's talk about it in a first narrative. The second important thing is for your summary section or About section to have short. Then adjust your visibility settings. You'll do that by simply going to your Me icon on the top menu and select Settings and Privacy. From there, you will choose Privacy Settings in the middle and click here on Edit Your Public Profile. Then on the right side, you'll be able to edit visibility of your profile. See, now my profile is public. So you should put your profile on public as well in order to be easily searchable online. And you can adjust the settings here, which part of your profile you would like to be public. So, for example, I just want basic things to be public, like name, number of connections, and region. But also, I want my profile photo to be public to all LinkedIn members on and off LinkedIn, and also my content to be visible in the search results. Now let me tell you, LinkedIn is really a powerful social media platform and the perfect platform for creating your personal brand. Especially we are talking about service-oriented professionals like real estate agents, insurance brokers, different types of coaches and consultants, business coaches, even fitness and wellness coaches, insurance brokers, mortgage brokers, financial and sales professionals. Again, why personal branding matters? Because people buy from people. People don't buy from companies. People will buy from your company, but because of you, because they like you, because they trust you. As Jeff Bezos said, personal brand is what others say about you when you're not in the room. So in order to start with your personal branding on LinkedIn, start with creating an all-star LinkedIn profile, increase your brand visibility, optimize your profile, define your LinkedIn content strategy, position yourself as a thought leader in your industry. At the very beginning, start with the profile photo. Your personal profile photo on your LinkedIn profile should look professional, but doesn't really have to be taken by a professional photographer. You can do it alone from your mobile device, as long as it looks professional and as long as you are in professional attire and without any photos. You are alone on your photo. No pets, no kids, no family. With a light background, and that would be good. Perfectly fine professional photo. Let's take a look at some statistics according to LinkedIn. LinkedIn profiles with profile photo have 9 times more connection requests, 21 times more profile views, 36 times more messages from your community. Now, let's go to the headline, industry info, and location. See, members with industry info receive 9 times more profile views, and over 300,000 people search by industry on LinkedIn each week. Profiles also with location listed receive up to 19 times more views, and if you include your city, you're increasing likelihood to be found within your industry by 23 times. And when it comes to your headline, try to include at least 3 industry-related keywords, include your role and unique skills and passions. Let's take a look how it looks like on my LinkedIn profile. See, here's my photo with light background, no pets, no kids. Then there is my name, full name, and the headline. Headline, you'll see later on, industry is already listed there, and the location including city. So, as mentioned, include at least 3 keywords. So in my case, I wanted to include marketing, strategy, and business mentoring. So they're all included there. Here's my role. Here is my, this is what I do, and this is what I'm passionate about. And here's my location. Now, if you click on here, contact info, you'll be able to change your location address here. And also, if you click on this pencil here on your profile, then you'll be able to choose your industry and to choose your current position, your headline, change headline. Simply just, select it, delete it, and then type another one. And you'll be able to change your location here as well, and also your industry. Here it is. After you change it, you just click on save and it's done. Now let's talk about skills endorsements, recommendations, and volunteer experience. In your LinkedIn profile, you can put maximum of 50 skills. But however, it's really relevant to mention both hard and soft skills and to get endorsed for those skills by your peers, your colleagues, or your LinkedIn connections. Recommendations on your LinkedIn profile are very relevant because they bring you credibility, social proof, and you should actually ask for recommendations. Now I will show you how to do that. Once you are on your LinkedIn profile, scroll all the way down to the recommendations part. Here there are skills and recommendations. So, as you can see, I have received 11 and given 5 recommendations. If you want to ask some of your connections to give you a recommendation, simply click on Ask for Recommendation, choose the person, and send a message. Recommendations increase your credibility, the credibility of your profile and a personal brand, and increase the trust that your potential clients may have in you. See why volunteer experience matters? 40% of all recruiters see volunteer experience as a work experience. Let's see mine. Simply include it. Add a section, add profile section here, and click on either work experience, education, licenses, or volunteer experience. Click on this plus and simply add it. Now let's see again why skills endorsements recommendations matter. Profiles with at least 5 or more skills listed appear 27 times more in searches. And then again, profile with endorsements get 17 more views. And what's relevant to mention that only your first degree connections can endorse you. Also, skills strengthen your profile and bring more opportunities. When it comes to the updated work experience, it brings 8 times more views, 5 times more connection requests, and 10 times more messages. Now, why would you want to optimize your LinkedIn profile? Well, the point is that you want to be found by some keywords and by the industry that you are in and by location where you're at. So include those keywords in your profile summary or about section, in your work experience, in your headline. Include it in your projects within your work experience as well. The point is to get found in order to get more opportunities. If you want to learn more, enroll in my online course, Leverage LinkedIn for Personal Branding and Business Growth, with 45 actionable video trainings. You can find it on my website www.yourbizmentor.com. Now, thank you very much for your attention. I hope this presentation brought you some good insights into the value of LinkedIn and its power in building a personal brand. This is just a starting point in order to get you to your business growth. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me at info@yourbizmentor.com. Good luck!